Welcome to Outcast Fabrication Shop. Alright guys, check it out. I want you guys to look at this pack of blades right here. This pack of blades is from Harbor Freight. It's their Warrior brand, you can see right there. And the reason I want to show you guys this is because we're going to take these out and field test them today. And we're going to see if they hold up to the test or not. We're going to be removing the rest of a tree at a customer's home. And this is a 5-pack, I believe, and one blade from Home Depot is almost $12 for one blade made by the Sawzall brand. So we're gonna take this Harbor Freight 5-pack for only $8.99 and see if they can do the same thing that the Sawzall ones, or if they're just gonna snap in half and go dull within the first stroke. So stay tuned, we'll get you guys out onto the job and we'll try these things out. And if they are worth the money, then you can get some for your Sawzall, because these are great for cutting roots and make your life a whole hell of a lot easier. So let's get out there, let's see what's going on, and we'll see how they do. Thanks. Okay, here's the tree we're trying to remove. So we're gonna use our Harbor Freight Sawzall blades. So hopefully we're not here for a month. And what do you think, Mike? We ready to rock?
We're rocking.
Yeah.
We got rock.
We got rock, literally. We got to remove all this rock right here. All the way back. It's about a foot thick. All that, those hedges, you name it, dude. Big job.
God, I feel like I'm on a TV show.
Well, you're on Outcast Fabrication Shop, bro. So it cut pretty good. Let's see if it'll cut up here. You gotta keep in mind this tree is really wet. So there it is. Harbor Freight Warrior blades, first cut. Like a champ. Of course, we're using the Milwaukee Sawzall, so that helps, not the Harbor Freight Sawzall, or we'd already be leaving the job. So we'll see you guys back in the shop. All right, so the Harbor Freight blades are hanging in there, but we're already on our third one. But I mean, you can see how much roots. So let me show you over here. One of them ended up bent like a snake. And then this one's dull and the tip snapped off. So not bad though for the price. So we're gonna hook this tree up to the truck and see if we can rip it out. Okay. Rip this stump out with the Shop Yoda. See if you guys can see that. Let's see, maybe I should get it down here. Should do it.
Are we pulling on it already?
Yeah, it's time. Get me lined up, okay?
Okay.
I already cut that other one you were exposing.
Are you going on an angle so you can use the street?
Yeah.
I got it. Hey, raw gas. Coming up slow. Oh! Back it up. That's good. That's how it's done, dog.
how you do it right there. Let's show the viewers what we got, dude. Woo! All right, there you go. She's out, she's down. Shop Yoda got her. All right, Mike, get her cut up.
Okay, I'm right on.
We gotta go. Harbor Freight blades got us through it today. We used 4 out of the 5. So all in all, not a bad deal. There's the roots. Looking good out here. We got the stump transferred into our bigger trailer. Gonna get it backed in here, get it ready to go to the dump. We got another clean out to do tomorrow, and then we'll take it to the dump. So looking good out here.